Do pet accidents and stubborn carpet stains leave you feeling defeated? The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe might be your cleaning cavalry. This upright carpet cleaner boasts features specifically designed to tackle deep-seated dirt, stains, and pet messes, making it a compelling option for pet owners seeking a powerful cleaning solution. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities, potential limitations, and overall effectiveness of the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe to see if it aligns with your cleaning needs. The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe prioritizes deep cleaning performance. It features innovative SpinScrub brushes with 360-degree rotation. These brushes, coupled with strong suction, effectively remove deep embedded dirt, debris, and even pet hair from your carpets. This tag-team approach ensures a thorough clean, revitalizing your carpets and leaving them looking fresh. Nobody wants to wait hours for their carpets to dry after cleaning. The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe addresses this concern with its HeatForce technology. This feature utilizes heated air to accelerate the drying process, allowing you to get back to using your carpets sooner. This minimizes disruption to your daily routine and prevents the growth of mold or mildew due to prolonged dampness. The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe isn't restricted to just carpets. The included tools and hose attachment allow you to target specific areas like upholstery and stairs. This is particularly beneficial for pet owners who might encounter pet stains or hair build up on furniture or carpeted stairs. Being able to tackle these areas with the same cleaning power ensures a more comprehensive cleaning for your entire home. The Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe understands the challenges pet owners face. The included cleaning solution boasts powerful enzymatic cleaning ingredients specifically formulated to eliminate pet messes and stains. These enzymes break down organic matter, effectively removing pet odors and leaving your carpets smelling fresh and clean. This targeted approach tackles pet messes at the source, leaving your home feeling truly refreshed. While the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe offers impressive cleaning power, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. As an upright carpet cleaner, it might be bulkier and less maneuverable compared to some smaller spot cleaners. This could be a limitation for navigating tight spaces or cleaning under furniture. Additionally, some user reviews mention the potential for noise during operation. Overall, the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe is a strong contender for pet owners and those seeking a powerful deep cleaning solution for their carpets. The SpinScrub brushes, strong suction, and HeatForce technology provide a thorough and effective clean. The capability to target upholstery and stairs with the included tools adds to its versatility. While the size and maneuverability might be limitations for some, the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe offers a compelling value proposition for its cleaning power and pet-focused features. If you're a pet owner battling stubborn stains and deep-seated dirt, or simply value a deep carpet cleaning experience, then the Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.